don't know when I will upload this video, especially because I bought for my birthday and also baby's shop and few things I bought. Mom to be Cadbury and a crown. So in a set, what I got is like I just scattered it, so it will be useful for me. So 40 blue balloons, silver balloon 4, white balloon 10, and gold foil, metallic gold balloon 4, and then 40 pink balloons. And I got a baby shower, but I'm not going to use this because I don't know when I will reveal it. It's twins, so luckily it's my family generation we are carrying it. And I bought and this one altogether is 106 items came, and two babies, pink and blue, boy and girl. I thought I will not record and I will just directly do it, but since I thought every year I'm doing it, I can't do it. And star balloons and one moon balloon. This is what I got, received like 106 in this. Apart from this, I bought this one because my very old one got damaged. The strap thing for balloon strap and the glue. Nothing more in this. And regular things, whatever I had, those balloons also I'm planning to use it. Let's see how it is. Okay, I'll put it in hyperlapse so that it will be useful for me also.
Calma, capito, ma te ne tuttano po', ne tuttano che te te ne, lì, non dietro non stanno.